Are you looking for the best mini heat press? Mini heat press machines have become essential for hobbyists and small studios who want precise transfers on small or irregular items without investing in a full-size press. Their compact footprints, reasonable range of temperature controls, and safety features make them appealing for personal projects, sublimation experiments, and rapid prototyping. In this review, product number 1, Cricut Easy Press Mini Heat Press. The Cricut Easy Press Mini combines a familiar brand ecosystem with a compact, purpose-built tool for hard-to-reach areas. It features 3 heat settings, a ceramic-coated plate, and a precision tip, packaged with an insulated safety base and auto-off for safety and storage convenience. At $39, it sits at the premium end of this mini press cohort, but Cricut leverages its heat guide and brand interoperability to reduce trial and error for common HTV and infusible ink projects on small items such as hats, shoes, and bags. In use, the Mini demonstrates consistent heat distribution thanks to the ceramic-coated plate and a stated upper temperature rating around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The 3-step heat setting regime provides straightforward, repeatable results when following the Cricut Heat Guide, which is valuable for new users who want reliable outcomes without manual experimentation. The ergonomic form and light weight, 1.5 pounds, make it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, though the compact footprint means larger items may require careful placement. The included base and 1-year warranty add practical assurances for hobbyists who value long-term support. And product number 2, Mini Heat Press Machine. The ECD Mini Heat Press emphasizes speed and simplicity, offering 3 temperature settings up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit with a quick heat ramp and a 15-minute auto-off for safety. It ships with an insulated base and a compact footprint, roughly 4.5 by 2.9 by 5.1 inches, and weighs under 1.5 pounds, making it highly portable for travelers or tight workspaces. Its price point, $21.83, positions it as a budget-friendly option with a focus on quick projects and basic HTV and substrate tasks. Performance-wise, ECD advertises rapid stabilization and consistent temperature control with a single-button interface that cycles through temperatures and units. The device stores the last setting, which reduces setup time in recurring projects. The dual safety features, an insulated base and automatic power-off after 15 minutes, increase practicality for casual users who might forget to switch off. The small heat plate can manage typical small transfer tasks on hats, bags, and t-shirts, but users should expect more.
Product number 3, Cricut Easy Press Mini Heat Press. This entry mirrors the Cricut Easy Press Mini described in Product 1, reinforcing Cricut's design language and feature set in a standalone listing. It emphasizes the same 3 heat settings: precision tip, ceramic-coated plate, and safety-based storage with an insulated base. The reiteration confirms Cricut's positioning of the Mini as a high-precision, small form-factor tool that integrates smoothly with Cricut's broader ecosystem. From a performance perspective, expect repeatable results on small items by leveraging Cricut's Heat Guide. The device is well suited for sewing and quilting tasks, such as applying small appliques or seams, and it remains easy to store due to its compact dimensions and weight. However, it shares the same constraints as Product 1, notably its premium price relative to other minis.
Product number 4, Heat Press Mini Heat. The AST&T model targets value seekers with a 14-level digital temperature display and a modest price around $24.99. It emphasizes a slightly larger feature set for a mini press, an LED display showing precise temperatures, a safety base, and a 10-minute auto shutoff. Its compact dimensions, 3.78 by 2.4 by 4.3 inches, and 75-watt power draw position it as a practical, affordable option for entry-level crafters who want straightforward control over a wide but finite temperature range. In practice, the 100 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit range supports a broad set of transfers, including lightweight fabrics and basic vinyl layers.
The 14 temperature levels offer finer control than simple on-off or 3-level devices, but the thermal uniformity and recovery after opening the clamshell may lag behind higher-end minis. The insulated base helps protect work surfaces, and the inclusion of stickers and a drawstring bag improves portability. While not a premium class,
Product number 5. Mini Heat Press Machine. A.R. Judy's Pink Mini Heat Press emphasizes visibility and simplicity with a real-time temperature window and a familiar 3-setting interface. At roughly the same price tier as AST&T, A.R. Judy adds a detachable power cord for storage flexibility and a small, portable footprint that's designed for quick, low-friction transfers on hats, shirts, shoes, and bags. With a 356-degree Fahrenheit top temperature and a quick ramp profile, it's positioned as a user-friendly option for casual crafters who want predictable outcomes without complex calibration. In use, the unit's real-time temp readout helps users dial in exact times and temperatures for common substrates, which can reduce misprints on small items. The automatic 15-minute shutoff aligns with safety-conscious habits, though some experienced users may prefer manual control for long sessions. The device's compact dimensions and lightweight make it particularly appealing for traveling crafters or tiny studios where space is at a premium. The 2.2 V-ish voltage specification looks like a misprint, assumes standard 110 to 120 V operation